Right now it's May 31st, 2021, Monday, Memorial Day, about 3:47 p.m. I finally removed all these clips, and here is the fender liner. I took out everything. Now I'm gonna clean it. Here are all the leaves. The leaf been stuck inside the fender. Now it was a pain to take it off. It was a major pain to take off all these fenders, all these clips. It looked like I didn't damage it. I don't think I damaged it. Now I just have to wash it. And then reinstall it with the new clips, new retaining clips. It was a pain. I mean, Honda I don't know what Honda did. They just make it so painful. I'm gonna inspect inside. Is there anything wrong? I got a clip stuck here, and then I tried to take it out. I destroyed the clip, and then I have to use a vice grip to grip it and then pull out this hole. I had to put some WD-40 on it too. I mean, it's just a pain. Yeah, I gotta clean that. This place, I don't know what they designed a car like this. There's so much room for the leaves to get in. Yeah, I gotta clean that thing. I don't see anything. And then these two is the black splash shield. Now if I can remove these two on the other side, then I can change the serpentine belt. So I know what to do now. Practice. And just like last time, the drive shaft is rusted. I probably have to change it. And this is, I forget, the stabilizer link. And here is the tie rod for the steering wheel. Here's the cross member. This is the shock. And this is the hub. Yeah, I will have to change the brake. The brake is rusted. Yeah, okay, now I know what to do. Now to wash the fender liner and put new clips back in. Now installing the fender liner is gonna be a pain, especially at this point. Okay, that's it. Pain.